too. All right, I was trying to get some stuff done, and I didn't even get done what I wanted to get done, but NQ early already hit. NQ early already hit target. So there's that. It's Monday, February 26th. Monday, February 26th. We're 2 for 2 overnight and 1 for 1 already this morning. NQ night was 1 for 1. ES night is 1 for 1. And the NQ early is 1 for 1. Let's go. Let's go. Did you see that run up at the open? Good morning. 3 for 3 already on the day. Hi, Blue. What's up? Happy Monday. I gotta get the settings spreadsheet up. I was too busy singing and like doing some random other stuff that I'm a little late. Do you guys like my new setup on TikTok? I feel like you can't see much of the charts, but you can see my big old head. My big forehead. Alright. So NQ night was a win, ES night was a win, and NQ early is a win. I rolled out the new algorithm to the premium members. It's called Oracle. I'm really excited for it. I also rolled out 2 new premium setups last week, and one of them is 6 for 6 so far on the day. So there's that. Oh my gosh, Jen. I'm going to have to look at this in a little bit. I have to sneeze also. Excuse me. All right, it's 9:33 on a Monday, February 26th. If you're new here, my name is Lauren. I go live every day, Monday through Friday, showing you my auto trading algorithms on the futures market. Just the futures market. No stocks, no options, no forex. I hope you guys had a great weekend. I did. It was super busy, but I like busy, so it was good. Good morning, good morning. What's up, Rodney? Hey, Laura. Oh, yes. I forgot. You're going fishing in Florida. That's awesome. It's beautiful weather, so I've been told. I'm not there. I wish I was. Hey, Tino. Oracle original. Yeah, so I've never seen The Matrix. I don't know. I really don't watch that many movies. I've never seen The Matrix. I don't know what this whole Oracle thing is, but I'm just going with it because people in my group have like talked about it. And so then I was like, you know what? This is a really good algorithm. Like, the risk to reward is really good. The win rate's really good. It's made some really good money, and the drawdown is pretty minimal in comparison. So I'm really excited for it, and I was like, you know what? I'm going to name it the Oracle. So that's what I did. That's what I did. If you're new here, welcome. Make sure you give me a follow. I go live every day, 9:30 to 10:30 Eastern Standard Time, and then Jen goes live 2 to 3 p.m. in the afternoon. And then, let's see if I can get you guys a little closer to the charts.
Order submitted.
And then Will goes live from like 4 to 5. And then Kyle is not live this week. He was live last week, though. All right. It's Monday. We know the market likes to do a little swifty. RTY's in a trade, but RTY's in no on Monday. ES early is in a trade. Let's see if we can hit that. If you have any questions, you're testing out Vizzy. Nice. If you have any questions, please let me know. ES is green, $50
Target
here.
filled.
Target filled on RTY. RTY hit target. Let's see if ES can hit target here. I gotta move up a little more. I haven't even hit my buttons today. Yeah, ES isn't a long. RTY hit target. Let's go, ES. Let's go. Yeah, it's true. And it's Monday, so. Oh, you already hit yours. Look at you. Look at you, Andon. Let's go, ES. A few more ticks. I'm still waiting on ES. I feel like my ES data has been a little slower than others lately. But that's okay. I can be in the back of the line sometimes. I'm okay with that. I don't get special treatment, I promise. I'm getting in the trade just like you guys are. Alright. A few more ticks, ES. Another little push. Awesome. Kyle, I don't know. It's just saying you're using an OCO order already and it can't be reused. I don't think anyone in the group is going to know what to say there. I would just make sure you're not in any naked orders. What's up? Yeah, the NASDAQ is the best. All right, still waiting on ES. So NQ night was 1 for 1. ES night was 1 for 1. NQ early was 1 for 1. RTY range was 1 for 1. We're waiting on ES. That's what is up here on the top. If you're new, I go live every day, 9:30 to 10:30, showing you my auto trading algorithms. Yes, these are fully automated. They trade for me 23 hours a day, 5 days a week. Oh, Jen, I should do this. Charlie. So I rolled out Oracle to Premium. I also rolled out a few new setups to Premium. That's one of them, but there's several. So the new zones at the bottom here is 6 for 6 on the day so far, which is really nice for Premium members. I don't know. I go live every day, 9:30 to 10:30 on both YouTube and TikTok, so thanks, Laura. Make sure if you're on YouTube, you hit that thumbs up. There's 16 of you. And tap that screen. Yeah, NQ early already hit. NQ night hit. ES night hit. ES early for me is still in this trade. But I was actually going to look at the... I feel like ES has been a little more stubborn lately than it normally is. Like the other day, it took so long to get to target. I think some people already hit ES early, but I did not. Oops. I was typing, but I guess I wasn't actually in a box. If you want more information, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. Whitney, hey girl. How are you? I hope you're doing well. So I'll be live till 10:30, and then Jen will be live this afternoon from 2 to 3. Don't worry, guys. So there's an Oracle. The Oracle that I sent out, there's no settings. You don't have to do any settings. You don't have to... really do anything. You just import it and turn it on, which is nice and easy for members who sometimes will mess up settings or don't have time to do settings or whatever. But the downside to that is anytime I want to add another product, so right now it's just Oracle for NQ or MNQ. So you can run that file on NQ or MNQ because the settings are embedded in the code. Now, I have one for ES as well. I haven't rolled it out yet, but I have one for ES. No, so it's only available on NinjaTrader. We miss you too, Whitney. We hope to see you back soon. Vegas is in a few months. There's still one open spot for Vegas. We're going to have a really good time. So with the ES one, I have it created, but it's totally different settings. Obviously you wouldn't know that because they're also embedded. But yeah, so that's the only downside is like I will have to send a new file for each each product, if that makes sense. So if I do an oracle for NQ, an oracle for ES, an oracle for YM, and an oracle for RTY, I would have to send all 4 files, but then you would just download and import the file, and then you would be good to go. And then Amy has to give access, which is like, that is why it's more of a pain on our end. You need to give access to over 200 people on, each file. So I hope that makes sense. All right, we're still in this ES early long, and it's moving back up, so let's see if we can get a nice little push. There is a high impact report at 10 o'clock, so we'll see what happens there. If you want more information, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. People are already posting results. Look at Nick. Okay, Nick. Nick is one of my digital mentorship students. Apex, the sale ended yesterday, the 90% sale, but now they're doing an 80% sale. I grabbed like 10 more accounts yesterday. You can have up to 20 PAs. Dana, overnight trades. Dana's a premium member. He said done for the day, swag. Premium paying off overnight. Nice job. That's probably that new setup. I think he said he was 6 for 6. All right, ES is moving back up. Let's go. So we're 100% on the day so far. Already on the standard algorithms, which is bold range on the top. We are 4 for 4. And we're in this 5th trade. So let's go 5 for 5. I would love it. I'm also super tired. I stayed up last night till like 2:30 watching Love is Blind, the series on Netflix. And I woke up and my eyes were like bloodshot red. Thanks, Jen. I hope your PT went well. I have to read the message that you sent. Yeah, do an appeal, William, for sure. Oh my gosh. It's such a mess. Every year, I feel like it can't get messier than the previous year, like with whatever that guy's name was, Bartel or whatever. Was that 2 seasons ago now? And then that girl last year, the blonde one, who was like, you're too poor. And then this year, it's like, what? Ken is a hot mess. Jimmy's a hot mess. Jeremy's a hot mess. All of it. And then it's like you wonder why girls have trust issues. The one guy, Trevor, had a full girlfriend going on the show and while he was on the show. Like a serious girlfriend. And she showed like all these text messages between them. And he's like, I'll be back in a few weeks. What? You're going to find love and you already have a girlfriend? I may have to look at my Visi settings again, but all accounts are green. Good. Sounds good. Yeah. Again, with Visi, you make your money. If you want to be done for the day, be done for the day. But I know all of William's people are pretty disciplined in that nature, which I appreciate. So it's 9:44. There is a high impact report at 10, so we'll see what happens there. If you guys have any questions, feel free to put them in chat.
Order submitted.
What was that? Oh.
Target filled.
Target filled. Oh, NQ early took another trade. And it already hit target. It took a short. Short. Well then that's a swapping issue, so you need to turn it off and look more into that. Because it should 100% not be taking shorts. Where's the NQ zones? Oh, here it is. Nice, Andon. I see you now. Came back whooping ass. William, nice job. Jody, done for the day. BoldBot for life. Nice job, Jody. No, ES is still in the long. Don't worry. I will keep reporting back. NQ early is now 2 for 2, so now we're 5 for 5 on the day. Money Monday kicking ass. 5 for 5 on the day. The night setups are both winners, so 2 for 2 there. ES night, NQ night. NQ early is 2 for 2, and then R2I is 1 for 1, so 5 for 5 on the day. But the ES long is still in that trade. Is anyone in premium noticing? This drop is happening, and I didn't set up my other thing like I was supposed to. Oracle's in a trade, FYI. Oracle is in a trade, and I can't even watch because Amy kicked me out. $400 on this short. People. Literally. Literally. $420 on this Oracle trade. Who's in the Oracle trade? Hello? Who is in the Oracle trade? I need a raise of hands. I need hands raised. $470 on the Oracle trade. Scott says he is. Chris is in there. Yeah. I need... Yeah, you guys. Please post in premium. Not this chat. Scott and Donnie, post in premium. Oh, it's pulling back up. Might hit offset, but green 4... But see, you could have even taken that too. Green 470 on one mini. Yes, I love it on micros. I love it on micros. Down bad traders in it. Nice job. Nice job. Big buses in it. I love it. Okay, good. William. Texas Sloth. Texas Sloth is going to be... The new NQ zone setup is so good. I woke up and I'm done for the day. Ooh, down bad. I don't know. I think you're in this Oracle trade.
Stop filled.
All right, so it hit the offset. Oracle hit the offset.
Stop filled.
I'm fine with that. And ES is still in this long. But if you have an eval account or a new PA account and you saw that $470, you could take it. But I don't touch Oracle at all. It's not crazy like NQ.
Order submitted.
It's not crazy like Vizzy where it takes like 1 million trades a day.
Target filled.
Target filled on something else. What the hell was that? Oh, the new zones. New zones just hit target. Got in and running on one micro all day. Vizzy's in a $300 long. Listen, the premium setups are just printing. Like, what's happening here? Vizzy's green. Oracle's green. NQ zones hit another one. All right, ES could still move back up here and hit target. Who's calling me? No, that's no. That's so funny. Done for the morning, back for NQ later in a while. Sounds good. Done for the day, bought in student play. Dana took another premium was fire. Oracle had is still a win. Yes, exactly. Offset. Nice job. Irma had Oracle. Ooh, look at this drop. Irma had Oracle on 2 minis, and she hit $1,000 profit and took it. See? That's what I'm saying. Get on that. All right. Update this NQ early. If you want more information on premium, if you're already in the group and you want to get Oracle or these NQ zones, which is like 7 for 7 on the day. 7 for 7 on the day. Then just message Amy or myself. Excuse me. Thank you, Laura. I don't know, ES has been a little funky lately. ES has been kind of off its rocker. Kind of like, I might get Glenn to check it out. Alright, I told him that. This. Yeah, one micro, even I do a few micros, and I've just been making money day after day after day on my accounts with Oracle. And when it has a loss, which it typically does have every now and then, because it's only a 70% win rate, so 30% of the time you're going to have a loss, and I'm losing like $250, $300, like something really small. All right, ES is red $200. Let's see if it can push back up. And Q wants to pull the market down, but ES is trying. ES is trying. Yeah, I'm not liking the market action in ES. I think I'm going to move it off for a couple of days. Sounds good. All right, ES is pushing up. Let's see. Let's see if we can get it. This is exactly what happened last week, though. Like, NQ kept printing, and other trades were happening, and ES was still just in the trade, you know? Make sure you hit that thumbs up, tap that screen if you're on TikTok. So it depends. It's whatever you're comfortable with. But most people do simulation just for like, NQ zones is in another long, already green $60. Ooh, here we go, here we go. It's up to you, whatever you're comfortable with. Most people will do sim for like a day or two just to see how things look and how they work. And make sure that your settings are correct. You're getting the same results as other people in the group. But Apex accounts, especially when they were just having this 90% sale, you're spending essentially $17 or $18 to get a $50,000 account. So some people will just kind of dive in right away.
Target filled.
All right, so NQ zones hit target again. It's 8 for 8. 8 for 8 on the day. And ES is now only red $150. See if it can push up and hit target here. If you're new here, my name is Lauren. I go live every day, Monday through Friday, showing you my auto trading algorithms on the futures market. We have a new waves set up. We have a new zones set up. They're both killing it on Friday. The zones was red 500, but the waves was green like 800 or 900. So that worked out really well. Oh, my arm was on the chair and then I like slipped off of it. So premium is $500 more per month, but what you get for that extra $500 is huge. So if you want more information, again, just message Amy or Irma. They can help you out. ES is back in like the negative 100 area. It's still in the long. I don't know. Suki said, I'm just trying to find out which one hit because there's so much happening in the premium algos. That makes sense. All right, it's 9:56. There is a high impact report at 10. If we can hold here, maybe that report, its new home sales, can push this ES up and over. Hopefully before a stop loss is hit, or it will hit stop loss. Which happens. Waiting on the big report at 10. Nice, Michael. Sounds good. It's funny, we were just thinking the same thing. Yeah, it's literally not letting me take another trade. I don't know what's going on. Yeah, you should make sure, do you have like the full exit or turn everything off on? Are you running too many things? Sometimes people, if you have too many strats running, too many accounts being ran on your system, it could just be an overload. We went ice skating yesterday. It was so much fun. My little one loved it. So excited to start today. Yay! I'm so excited for you. 26 strategies. I have like 18. I'm also on a dedicated server. I have like 18 to 20. But I also have 2 VPSs, so then I have another VPS just for Apex. This VPS is just for my cash account. All right. Market is dropping a bit. Let's see where we are as far as the student play. Ooh! All right, let me show you guys something, okay? Let me show you guys something. This is my proprietary chop zone. Do you see this wick on the top of the chop zone? Like, that's sick shit. Like, let me... No. Watch out. Do you see this wick? Do you see it perfectly touched the chop zone? This is this green level right here. Perfectly. If you don't think I know what I'm doing when it comes to trading, like, this is when I just feel like it's so obvious. And you get this included with the mentorship. If you sign up for the mentorship, every day I post the proprietary chop zone at 5 a.m. If I use VPS, can I turn the computer off or restart without losing the setup? Yes, absolutely. That's one of the best things about VPS. Also, you can access it on the go. So if you're traveling for work or whatever, you can access your VPS on any other computer or cell phone or iPad, any of those things. I'm trying to get you guys back to where you were. Don't know if that was that. Probably more like this. All right, ES is still in the long. It's red $200 here, but it's still in it, and we're about to have this report at 10 o'clock. So hopefully it moves up and we can hit target. We have 50 seconds until 10 o'clock. Oh, you figured it out? Good. ES needs to hold, like, if it hits the stop and then runs up at the report, that would be like the worst case scenario. But if it stops, like, you know, things get stopped. But right now it's only red 250 and we have 30 seconds until the report comes out. More people posting results. Nice job. All right, let's see. Can we get a move up on the new home sales? Three seconds. This is ES here. Let's go. Come on. Let's be a positive report. New home sales are up. It's 10 o'clock. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, I meant to take a picture of the... I meant to take a picture of this. No, move it up a little bit. A little bit. Let's go back to ES. Come on, ES, move up. You can do it. You can do it. How do you spell precision? No, I know how to spell that. Fire. All right, still in this ES long. Red, $262. Let's see if it can move up. have a new 1 gig fiber hookup happening Friday. Can't wait to see how that responds. Great. But remember, if you're not using VPS, then you cannot turn your computer off. Your computer cannot sleep. If any of those things happen, if your neighborhood loses power, then your computer loses power, everything will be disabled and you won't have any algorithms running. And if something was running prior to like a disconnect, you could have a naked order. So make sure you always have a backup. If something like that happens, make sure you know the phone number to Apex or NinjaTrader, or you can get on the Apex website and just do the flat and all on like your cell phone or something like that. It's 10:02. I want to see how this ES trade ends up. I would love for it to just push up here and get a little bit of traction, hit that target, and then I'll pretty much be done for the day. One half dozen. We're talking about the ES London trade and then the ES. Oh, why do I do that? The ES London and then the ES. ES early. But both can hit, and this happens a lot. Like we'll see this with NQ sometimes too. Like Vizzy can hit an offset and make money while NQ early is going the other direction, and then that hits. Yep. Oh, I meant to message Glenn about ES. It's 10:04. Still in the ES long, which is red $300. The ES London, though, short is also red. Like one of them's gonna win. One or both are gonna win. Nice job, Kyle. Oh, interesting. Oh, we're moving back up for ES. Love to get an ES hit here. Again, the same thing happened last week. All right, we're moving back up on ES. Let's go. ES again here is in a long.
Order submitted.
And Q's in a new long. Let's go. Let's get a nice little move up here. We got to get above this 18,005 on NQ. If we can get above 18,005, then NQ can move higher, and that will allow ES to move higher.
Target filled.
Target filled on NQ zones. Again, we are 9 for 9. 9 for 9 on the day on NQ zones. ES is moving up. NQ's moving up. We're at that 18,005. Do you see that resistance there? You know why? Because that's where the magic line is. So it hit 18,005 and it's now back down to 94. Do you see how that works? NQ zone is part of premium. Yes. And it's 9 for 9 so far on the day for about $800 with one mini. And the risk is $250. So low risk, great reward, and it trades a good amount. No, we should update that. All right, NQ's coming back up to 18,000. Again, we have to get over 18,005 and stay over if we want ES to move up. 9,000 for Scott. Okay, 9,000. 5. So I was the 8 of 9, so I'm at 550. I was trying to add in my head. I thought it'd be 800. Maybe I'm wrong. Oh, no, because then the actual win. So, yeah, 900. $900. I forgot because it's 100 a win. What am I talking about? $900 on the new zones. Insane. And Oracle had a trade and that had a win. All right, we're coming back up to the magic line at 18,005. This is a strong area of resistance, so just be aware. Let's go, NQ. Here we go, and ES is going back up now. We're over 18,005. What did I say? We're now at 18,007, and ES is moving, moving, moving. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, ES. ES, we got to get to like 5,110. Oh, we're at 5,106. Let's go. And Q is already up to 18,012. I know we did, and we got to stay above it. Oh, we got to stay above this 05. Got to stay above it. Back under 05. See, so you could have taken your ES there. If you wanted to get out, like if you were like, I don't really trust this ES, you were 1 point away. You were red $50. So obviously if you're sitting at your computer and you're like, I don't know if I really like this ES trade anymore, and instead of losing a few hundred, you could have just taken a $50 loss. But let's see. We'll probably move back up. Oh, you probably have shorts on. Oh, got it. Got it. Sorry, I didn't read the whole thing. I didn't read the whole thing, Brady. This is why everyone needs to get their settings checked by Irma. By Irma. NQ zones, NQ waves, Oracle. Everyone, please. All right, we're back up to 18,005. We got to stay over if we want to move up. Donnie said NQ News Zones is killing it. It is. 9 for 9 or 8 for 8. Some people did have one loss overnight, but then you're still green $550. If you didn't have that one loss, you're green $900. I'm going back over the videos. How do you know the student play area played perfect? Exactly. I was showing that in the student chat. It's 10-11. Perfectly. So good. So good. All right, ES is turning around again. NQ is back under that 18,005. I know what to tell you guys. We have to stay above this 18,005 if NQ wants to move higher and if ES wants to move higher. It is what it is what somebody would say that I know. I think I have 1, 2, 3. I can do this while I'm waiting. Expenses. I submitted my taxes, which is great. Because that was kind of hanging over my head. All right, we're back at 18,005. I'm scared. I made good money this year, right? They're going to start making you pay quarterly taxes. I hate that shit. I always end up, like, going light for the first few quarters, and at the end of the year, I'm like, fuck, I owe them so much money. All right, ES is pushing back up. We're red $150 here. NQ is above 18,005. We're at 18,012. There's some resistance here at 18,015 or 18, that area. But let's go. Can we get this ES win, and then I can go enjoy my Money Monday. I might take a nap because I'm so freaking tired from staying up late last night. For sure. Let's push. It's having a hard time in this area. There's not another report for a while, so. What's up? How are you? Happy Monday. We're hanging out. We're like, I don't know, $1 million for $1 million on the day. Premium algos, premium algos are 10 for 10 on the day so far. Standard algos are 5 for 5, and we're still in this ES long, which just went back to like negative $100 because right now it's red 250. So, but it was red like $50. Laura took the student play twice. Nice job, Laura. Make sure you hit that thumbs up. If you want more information, this looks a little heavy on the downside. If you want some more information, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. Let me check on these Apex accounts over here. Nice. Oh, shoot. You know what I just realized? Wait. Hold on.
Order submitted.
Oof. Might get our move down now. Alright. I'm freaking in 1. Oh no, that's on that one. Oh no, I'm fine. The one that I think maybe with fees or whatever. Alright, looks like we might be heading down. The elevator is ready to drop. Is there a video on the new setting? What new setting? Oracle? What? What new setting? What new setting, William? Anthony, that's a premium conversation. Let's keep premium trades in the premium channel. Please keep premium trades here. Thank you. No, there's no video. It's literally the easiest thing. There's no settings at all. You just download it and import it and turn it on. That's it. That's all you gotta do. That's all you gotta do. All right. Well, let's go. ES is really heavy here. It's funny because I felt like NQ was heavier before. Now I feel like ES is heavier. Sure. But I put information about it in, like, I created a tab. I put it in the spreadsheet. If that makes sense. ES is heading down. ES might hit stop loss on early. Well, maybe not. NQ's trying to move back up, but ES is really pulling lower here. We'll see what happens. Nice job, Jonathan. I'm gonna emoji all these people. Oh yeah, so I was doing this. Let me just wait. But I need to get that done after this call. Yeah, I was just talking about it on the call that it's easier for you guys. It's more work essentially for me. But 7, I will take that insult because I know so much better. I do work in a closet because when I started this, even when I started working at home like 4.5 years ago, the modem is in here and the Wi-Fi doesn't do well throughout the house, especially with trading. But listen, if you want to think that I don't make much money, I would love for you to think that. And I'm okay with that. I am okay with whatever you think of me. Because we're having a fantastic Monday. Premium algos are not 10 for 10. And standard algos are 5 for 5. And we're doing very well. Thanks, West. All right, NQ's moving higher. NQ's moving higher, but ES is like, no. What's the licensing fee per month? It's $1,000 a month. It's $500 as a trial for 21 days if you want to try it out. Just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. And then it's $1,000 every month after that. If you're doing premium, premium is $1,500 a month. And since you said licensing, I'm sure you've probably used some NinjaTrader algos before. But mine are not like other people's. So, I'm just gonna say that. Vizzy is in a $500 long. I might update ES. Why? What? 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 Jared, what are you doing?
Stop filled.
Alright, so Oracle had a loss, but that's fine because the risk to reward is really good. So it loses 30% of the time. Alright, cool. Alright, ES might finally move up here. Sparky said, I'm usually pretty quiet about my business. I'm up 420 today on standard algorithms. And we're going to hit ES soon. But we don't like have to prove anything to anyone. You know what I mean? I go live every day. I show my algorithms every day. I'm very consistent. Like, I don't know. We don't have anything to prove. Then you shouldn't be live. Dude, come on. Like, oh, I didn't know what the risk was, so I closed it out myself. Like, what? What's even happening? Yes, I have a YouTube. I go live on YouTube every single day as well. I'm live on YouTube right now. BoldBot. 2 words. BoldBot. BoldBot. Okay, thank you, Glenn. Listen, ES doesn't want to move up. NQ has moved up. It ran from that 05 to 30. ES does not want to. I don't know. It's like people don't want to see that it's not going higher. Like, ES is not moving higher. Unless it has some huge turnaround. Like, do you guys see this? It just keeps going lower. So what, William, I don't know if I would say it like that. So the way that some people approach the bot is much more conservative, and they take a much more conservative approach. So it would take them longer to pass the evaluation and longer to fund the account, but they're not risking busting their accounts. Yeah, right. Well, let's see if ES can pick up the pace. No, I did not see that. All right, ES is finally moving up a little bit. But it's got to get over this 5104, 5105, that area. I'm just yelling. It's so funny about that guy trying to like clown me that I work in a closet. Like, I literally joke about it all the time. I know I work in a closet. And I love it. It's so like comfortable. Look. I have this computer and I have this computer and I have my calendar and I have all my stuff. I love it in here. He has tried to go over the box again and I can't. It's so cozy. And when it's cold, I shut the door. Like, I have the door shut right now and it's nice and warm in here. But it doesn't get too hot in the summer because there's a vent in this closet. Good story, bro. Cool story. Got it. What's the Oracle office? If it gets over 5105, I'm out. Yeah, really should have probably been out when it was at negative $50 here. It was at 5106. Honestly. I'm still in it, but, you know. Just saying. People want to be tight. Because ES has been funky. Like last week, ES was funky. I hope so, West. We have a good time. And we make money, so. Money and having fun go hand in hand. Now, ES Premium, there's an ES Premium setup that is short. But that one usually takes longer to play out, so it wouldn't be like highly unlikely that the ES early could hit and then ES London could play out. But it seems like we might be headed that way soon. And this is what I was saying earlier, that I thought NQ would be able to run ES up faster, but or like more, but it didn't. All right, it's 10:29, and I'm going to wrap this up here soon in a minute. If you're new here, I go live every day, Monday through Friday, 9:30 to 10:30, and then 2 to 3 p.m. Jen will be live. And then Will is in the chat right now. He'll be live from 4 to 5, I believe. We could still hit the target here on ES. It's back up to 101. That's worked out. ES doesn't know what it wants to do. Good. Right. I like that. All right. ES is dropping. ES is definitely going to hit stop here. All right, I'm going to wrap it up. It's 10:31. ES has no idea what it wants to do here. Literally no idea. Oh, sounds good. Apex is still doing an 80% sale right now, I think through the month, and the month ends on Thursday. But the 90% ended yesterday. All right. We're still in the ES long. Jen will be live from 2 to 3. Make sure you follow this TikTok account. She only goes live on TikTok. Will is in the chat. Mr. H, he'll be live from 4 to 5 showing you the algorithm. And I hope you guys have a great Monday. It's been an awesome, awesome Monday so far. So keep it up. And see you in the chat. Bye. Bye, YouTube.